Hello, today we are going to discuss about the best for search in artificial intelligence. So, we can go to the what is the overview in terms of best for search. That means its purpose is it's a search algorithm that uses a heuristic function to find out the most promising path faster than the traditional search algorithms. That is than the traditional search algorithms. We want it helps us to find the most promising fast path faster. That's the main purpose. And it's in terms of its efficiency, it is efficient and practical in finding quick solutions for problems that requires finding the path between 2 points. uh, its variance means several variants of best first search exist, such as A star search and greedy best search. And as I mentioned earlier, heuristic function is a problem specific function that estimates the cost of the cheapest path from a given node to the goal node in a search space. And that means it gives us the cheapest path from a given node to the goal node. That's the main thing which we can earn from heuristic using heuristic function. Its usage is like uses heuristic function to choose the most promising node, which is the which is one closest to the goal node. Next, we are going to see what is open list and closed list. Open list is simply, you can see with the image I have given. It's like open list stores nodes that have been visited but have not been expanded yet. Closed list, in terms of closed list, it is stores the nodes have been visited and both as well as the expanded to avoid revisiting them in the future. That's the main thing we can achieve from this open list and closed list. Next, we are going to see the important terms or the steps in this best first search. That's the steps involved in this. Initially, we want to select a starting node. Choose the starting node for the search algorithm. And using the heuristic function, apply the heuristic function to the starting node to select the most promising next node. And the, in the as a third step, expand the selected node and generate its successor. That's an important thing. And add it to the open list. Add the generated nodes to the open list. Repeat this process until we reach our goal node. That's the main steps or the steps involved in this best first search. The next thing we want to discuss about like at its advantages and the limitations of the best first search. That is, the main advantage of this best first search is efficient and effective in both, especially in complex state spaces. It gives us an effective and efficient way of searching. And the main one limitation it has is like if the quality of the heuristic function is not as much great, it's affect the effectiveness of the result of the searching result. And we want to discuss its applications. The main applications which we were seeing or we were used to it's in the social network itself. We whenever we getting a recommendations according to the our search in our browsers or something, it gives us a recommendation. It is happening because of this best first search. It can be used to rank the and recommend that such results in social networks, and it is useful in terms of robot navigation. It is used to find the optimal path for a robot navigating a complex environment, and in terms of developing an AI games, something like that, to find the best move to make, etc. And as a conclusion, it's the best for search. It's very powerful. for especially for complex state spaces, and it gives us some, not some, it gives us optimal solution faster than the traditional search algorithms. And it's one side, and also you also have challenges, like if the heuristic function is not a quality one, it's affect the effectiveness of the result, the searching result. So the quality of the heuristic function must be great always. So we can wind up this section. Thank you all.